Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Maya Karen. For those of you who don't know, I run a fashion blog called Classically Kept. It does feature luxury, contemporary, and how to style. If you are into that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to this channel. That way you will be notified every single time I upload a video. So, several videos ago, and I'll link it up here, I gave y'all 11 tips and tricks of the reasons why you walk into your closet and you have nothing to wear. And I also showed you how to fix them. This video is going to expand a little bit about one of the rules, and it is the rule of 3. So let me give you a scenario. You and your girlfriends are out shopping. Well, right now y'all are probably, let's scratch that. You're online shopping and you find a top, a dress, a piece that you think you will absolutely love. Excuse me. You buy it, it ships to your house, you try it on, you absolutely love it. But this is what I want you to do prior to buying that piece, even though I understand you absolutely love it. If you put that piece in your cart and by the time you pull out your debit card to purchase it, if you cannot think of 3 outfits or 3 ways to wear that piece, then you might want to consider leaving it on the website and not shipping it to you. And the reason why I say that is because more than likely, if you can't think of at least 3, it can be more. But if you cannot think of at least 3 outfits or 3 ways to wear that piece, it's going to sit in your closet. So today I'm going to show you 2 ways to do that. I'm going to show you how to do it with a dress, and I'm going to show you how to do it with a skirt. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first item I'm going to show you how to do this with is my newest obsession, and it's from Zara. It is this polka dot skirt right here. This is a size small, has a zipper down the back. And I'm going to show you 3 ways to wear this. Okay, so this is the first outfit with the polka dot skirt. Initially, when I first saw this, I was like, black. It would be absolutely beautiful with black. But I was thinking also, how can I make it more interesting? So I wanted to bring out the actual back of the skirt with this tank top, and then we're going to add a black shirt over it. Okay, so now we have on the shirt, and remember this is the same skirt. We're going to be styling it 3 ways. So this is what it looks like with this. I think this is absolutely beautiful. So now let's add some shoes. We're going to add, these are Zara again, these right here, they have a little bow on them and they're polka dots. So let's go ahead and put these on. And now we have our entire first look. Okay, the second look, I wanted this to be a little bit more casual. So it's just a blouse, and this part matches this part, of course, and then the piping matches the polka dot. So let me turn around so I can also show you why I love this blouse. It has a little hole in the back. So now we're gonna add some shoes. These right here, these are Nicholas Kirkwood. I absolutely love this because of the lace and because of the pearl detail right here and because the silhouette of the heel. So you have those and the lace is see-through. So let's go ahead and put these on. Okay, so now we have our shoes on. And when I actually shopped this, I wore this headband. So let me quickly show you what it looked like in the photo. Okay, so this is going to be the 3rd and final outfit with the polka dot skirt. So I do have on nude, again, my nude, which you'll always hear me say, my nude tank top. And we are going to add this Target blouse. So let's go ahead and put it on. And as you can see, it's the sleeves. I'm clearly obsessed with sleeves at the moment. So let's go ahead and put this on and then we'll come back. Okay, so because we have on this white top and we have on our nude cami, I decided to go with these heels. These are my Christian Louboutin. It's part of his nude collection. They came out in 2017. So let's go ahead and put them on. Okay, so this completes our look. And then like I said, we have the nude shoes and we have the nude cami. Give you a little bit of the red bottom. But yes, this is the 3rd and final look for this. So now let's go ahead and get into the next item. Okay, so like I said before, I was going to show you how to style 2 things. So that was the skirt. Now let me show you the dress. And it is this dress. It is from Zara. It's probably about 2 years old, but still very current. I'm going to show you how to wear this 3 ways. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first item or the first way to wear this dress would be just with your average or typical blouse. This blouse is from J. Crew. I absolutely love it. It has the sleeves right here, has a little bit of stars. Same way in the back. So because we are picking up the black with the blouse in this dress, let me show you the shoes. It's going to be these from Zara. They are the PVC or plastic. And you can see they have a little bit of animal print in them. But because the shoe is so dark, it's not going to clash. So let me back up and show you. So as you can see, this is the first look. The shoes don't clash because they're dark. And there is also red and blue and trimmings of gold in this dress. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to look 2. Okay, this is going to be your second look with this dress. Again, remember, we're doing the rule of 3. So this would be more so probably for a cool spring morning or for fall. Perfect. Now let's get into the shoes. While I love these are a love or hate shoe. Absolutely love them. These are Zara. So this entire outfit is Zara. It's these shoes right here, the bow. I absolutely love the bow. That's why I bought them. And they're a kitten heel. So really classic, except for the bow. But let's go ahead and put these on and show you the whole outfit. So this is the second outfit. I absolutely love this outfit. Again, the shoes are love or hate, but I love them. So this is the second outfit. And let's go ahead and get into the third and final one. Okay, so if you didn't know, I am a sucker for a good turtleneck. Some people are like, oh my God, that's not sexy. They are. Give it a try. So this would be more of your winter look. So let's go ahead and get into the shoes. And it's going to be your classic black pair of shoes to go with your classic sexy turtleneck. Let's go ahead and put these on. So classic, very classic outfit. You have a dress, you have a turtleneck, and then you have your black shoes. And then I would probably wear my burgundy coat with this. It is packed away so I can't show you, but I would just kind of, slip it over my shoulders to give just kind of a chic look. And then I would wear my Chanel Classic Mini. Alright ladies, that's all that I have for you today. That was me just explaining the rule of 3. Please give this video a comment and a like. And again, if you are not already, go ahead and follow me. I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and I also hang out on Instagram. I'll put it up here. But that's it, you guys. Bye, y'all.